What is going on, YouTube? Coming back with another video. Today I'm going to be installing some lift spindles on my truck, on my two-wheel drive ship box. Here's one of the spindles right here. They're really heavy, not gonna lie. But yeah, it's a 3-inch lift spindle. And I have 3-inch coil spring spacers on it right now. It's not sitting very high. Still kind of raking a little bit, so hopefully it looks good. Alright guys, so first off, take the brake caliper off. Just gonna shove this up here somewhere where it won't fall. Shouldn't fall anyway. Brakes. Yeah, might be time for some new pads soon. So those were 19 millimeters. These two are 18s. Set that to the side so rotor can come off. We're gonna leave the sway bar link connected. Gotta take this off. But first, I'm going to loosen up the hub assembly, which I think is smaller. Hub assembly is a 15 millimeter. It's got 3 bolts on the back here. Go ahead and loosen them up. Disconnect your ABS sensor, ABS wire, sensor, whatever you want to call it. Ow! Now I'm going to take my tie rod loose. This one is an 18, I believe. There it goes. That's good. Now we got ball joints. One. So I'm not sure if this is an 18, but it just broke loose for the 18. Ball joints look a little shot, but it'll be okay. Alright, got it kind of loose. Don't take it all the way off yet. Then this one down here at the bottom is pretty big. Couldn't find an adapter, so I found a wrench. 22. There she blows. Pretty fun stuff. Wow. Kind of dangerous, you know. Now we want to put our hub assembly on the new spindle. There we go. Set the bottom one in place first. So it took a little fighting and cussing off camera, but I finally got this under control on. Well, I got it started, so now I'm gonna tighten it all up. We're gonna see how high it's sitting once we get everything on, of course. I had to do some kind of dangerous stuff with 2 jacks and, you know, fun stuff. Alright, so tighten up the hub assembly. Alright. Double check. Put a record. Definitely can tell the difference. It's sitting higher, as you can see. And then we'll go look at this side. So yeah, try to do this side, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all once I do that side, because you already saw me do this side. So I mean, the other side's gonna be the same thing. Yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get this side done. I'll put a zip tie on it. You know, zip ties are the greatest invention in the world. Whoever made zip ties, I love you. Turn the wheels a bit, you know. Might back it up. Make sure my brake lines. Oh yeah, definitely a difference. You can tell just from getting in and out. Can't see shit. Okay, we're definitely sitting higher. Fucking squatted, mate. I swear I'm not gay. Okay, it ain't that bad. She's kind of squatted. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. She is squatting a little bit. I want to get some tires soon, maybe some wheels, I don't know. But anyway, if y'all like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more content. I'm starting to post a lot more, so see y'all in the next one.